This could be the car for you. The 2022 Ford F-150. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, electronic stability control, dual-zone AC, aluminum wheels, alarm, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system. Don't miss the opportunity to get into this F-150, the pickup that's at the head of its class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.